Right, like I said initially, QR code stands for Quick Response Code. And so before we begin, we're going to get our link from, let's start with Facebook. I believe everybody are on Facebook, I believe. Am I right? Okay, so we're going to be beginning with Facebook. So to get that, if you don't know how to get your link on Facebook, you have to on your data. And then you open your Facebook. And then you go to, all right, this is my Facebook. Then you check the top left icon close to what's on your mind, and then you click on that icon, and then it takes you to, okay, this is Triumphant and his beautiful face. And then, okay, I can imagine you're laughing. And then it takes you to, you see these three dots, you click on these three dots by your right, and then you scroll down to copy link. Okay, so I've copied the link. You can use it to invite people to your to like your Facebook, to follow you, to to watch a video, to listen to a song, to view a post, instead of just asking them. Maybe they'll ask you, what's your Facebook name? Instead of telling them the name, you can just send them the code, and the code carries every details about that product or service or item or goods, and that's what the code, it contains a lot. So like I said, it's a quick response code. Then after I've gotten the link, then you open your Chrome. Make sure you have data on your phone. All right, then you open your browser, and it could be your Google Chrome, it can be your Mozilla, your Firefox, Opera Mini, whatever, and all of that. So all right, then I will go to my browser. I'm going to be using Opera Mini, and then I'm going to type in QR. Then you type in QR Tiger, QRtiger.com. There are so many of them we will be using. You can use, but I prefer to use QRtiger.com. And then when you open it, you click down to where you have the icon QR Tiger. Please make sure you come down. Then you click on it, and after that you wait till it loads. And then once it has loaded, and then all right. So I'm going to continue from here in the next video.